Alright, welcome back guys. Welcome back to the lesson. In the last lesson we were able to conclude the blog part of this training. So I want to believe you have a blog now with WordPress, not less than at least 3 posts or more. So I told us that we are going to see the differences between a blog and a website per se. So what will be those changes that we're going to make? What are those things we are going to adjust that will make this different from a blog? It doesn't matter the kind of website you are building, in as much as it's a website and not a blog that you make regular posts on. So what are those things we need to do? The first thing we need to do is to create a page, and we're going to name that page Home. H-O-M-E, Home. So it's going to serve as our home page where the world will see as soon as they type in our URL into their web browser. As soon as they type in your URL, the first page that will be shown is the page we are about to build. So we'll head on where we go to our dashboard, click on pages. We just point to pages and click add new. Point to pages and click add new. Then we wait for the interface to load. So we're going to wait for the interface to load. While we wait, here once the interface loads up, all we need to do is just give the page a title. Yes, good, it has loaded up. So where it says add title, you just go there and type H-O-M-E. Type H-O-M-E, home. That is all we have to do here. Then we click on publish. We type H-O-M-E, which is the title of the page, then we click on publish. Once we click on publish, the page will be published, and you can see it says page published, view page. So that is all we have to do here for now. So the next thing for us, let's just go ahead and look at this page. It says view page. Let's click on it and see how the page looks like. Okay, we can see that there is nothing there. So but at the title here it says WordPress class.storelink.com.ng/home-2. okay, yours might be home 1, could be anything. So it all depends. I've created one before, that is why mine is showing home 2. So we need to do something in order to remove this home 1, because when people go to our website, it's not supposed to be showing /home 1. So what do we have to do here? That is what the next thing. That is the next thing we need to look at. So in order to remove this, all we need to do is go back to our dashboard. We go back to our dashboard, then we go to settings, and under settings we click on reading. Under settings we click on reading. So it will open. If you remember, this place where it says your home page displays, it was set to your latest post, and that is why as soon as we make new post, it is appearing on our home page. So we need to change it to a static page. We are going to create a page that we want people to be seeing at all time. So we come here and click that home that we created, that page that we created. It will appear here. Then we choose and then we say save changes. Once we do that, we can now go back. If you go back to the list of pages, if you look at it, home, you will see that it's showing as front page. Then if you open it, let's open it in a new tab and see, you discover that it's no longer showing /home2, but our what is showing our domain name. And if you can see, there is nothing there, just the name, which is Uncle B, and then the tagline, free soft skill. So we can now start building. We go to edit, and the page will load up, and that is where we now start putting one and one together. What do we want the world to see first as soon as they launch our website? Right now we don't have anything, we only have home and nothing more. So we click on this place which says hard block. Just like you are building a house, you have different blocks. Join different blocks together. As you can see, there's nothing in our house now, in our front page. So we click on hard block so that we will now choose what kind of block. What do we want to put first? So you can see the ones that are showing, then you can see view all. Browse all. So click on browse all so that you see all. I will encourage you to go through it, explore all of them. So for now, we are just going to choose heading. The first thing we want to do is to put an heading. So I want to believe you are doing your own. Just go ahead and explore. What do we write here as the heading? Let's go and let's check what we have. We have Uncle B and we have free soft skill for everyone. That is all. Now, so what the next thing? Let's now think. What do we now write to make the world know that this is what we do on this website? Maybe I'll just write learn new skills every day, or learn new skill, learn free computer skill every day. Something that quickly tells the world what you do on the page or on the website. So learn free computer skills every day. Then what next? You click on hard block and look for something else again. So you look through the block, make sure you explore all of them. I think for me, I'll just choose YouTube video. Let's put a video from our YouTube channel. Let's put a video from our YouTube channel so that the person will just watch the YouTube video and then you will be convinced of what we are to do. I believe you are not new to this. Go to youtube.com. As soon as it loads up, go to the channel. So we type here on the search bar, we say Uncle B Media Network. Good. So it will load up. When it loads up, we click on the channel and then the videos there will show. So we choose this first one in the introduction, which is like inviting people to the course. So as soon as it start playing, we click on share. Click on share, then we copy the link. Once we copy the link, we go back to our editing page where we are editing our website. Then we paste it there. We paste and then we click on embed. As soon as we do that, the video will be embedded. So let me go back and stop the video that is playing. Let me quickly do that. Alright, so we go back. Now you can see the video has been embedded. So we have the title, then we have the video, then we add something else. Click on hard block and then think of what else to add that will show everyone what we do. Let's click on browser and see other things that we can add. What do we add again? Let's go through. I can see slideshow here, but we're not adding that. You can check that out on your own. I think we should just go back and add another heading. Let's just go back, go to the top and add another heading. Okay, good. Heading. So after the video, okay, this heading is showing above the video and it's supposed to show below. So you can move it down. You can move your blocks. Say move down. Click on it. It will come down below the video. Then you can now type what you want to put as the heading again. What else do we write? We've told the world. We've told them that learn new free computer skill every day. After that, what else do we do? The person has clicked to watch the video. They will now say empowering you with new skills daily is our concern or is our business. That is what matters to us. That is what we do here. We empower you with what? With new skill. So empowering you with new skills daily is our concern. Okay, once we've done that, we add another block. This time around, let's see what we are going to add again. Browse all. Okay, so we scroll through. Let's see what we are going to add. We're not going to add image. Not video. You can. This one you are going to upload the video to your website, but we are not doing that. Okay, let's put a button. Yes, a button that will tell the people to learn more. You understand? You've seen the video. We've told you that empowering you with new skill daily is our concern. So now we want you to learn more about what we do. So if you click on learn more, now I believe you've seen buttons on websites. When you click on the button, it will simply take you to a particular page that explain more, or that thing is directing to. So we just write learn more, and again, just like the other one. But before we do that, we click on this link. We now put the website or the page address where we want it to link to. So in this case, I want it to link to my channel. This one is just a video. The person has played the video. So if the person is interested, you can learn more by going to the channel where you will see all the videos. So I just go back there and copy that URL to my YouTube channel. Then we'll click on this submit. Okay, that has been added. So that has been added. Then we move it down. It should be under the empowering you with new skills daily, whatever. So I think we can move this to the right. No. Okay. That is not available here on this Gutenberg editor. So empowering you with new skills daily, then learn more. If the person clicks, it will take them to the channel where they will watch all the videos. Okay, so the next thing, what do we do next? Okay, we had a new block. You can see it's coming into place. At least this alone has given some information. So click on add block and let's see what else we can add. This is just a tutorial. I've told you, please make sure you check through all those things there. See what they do, what each one works for. So let's look through. I wish this is a live class so that you just suggest what you want us to put next. Maybe you ask me, how do they put so things? But since it's not a live class, okay, let me just put a social icon. I want to believe every one of us, there's no how you have a website, you will not want people to connect with you on social media. You want them to talk to you via social media. So you click on this place, this plus here, and then you can see different types of social media. Then click on browse all so that you see the one you want. For me, I will just add Facebook and Twitter. Those are the most commonly used platforms for me. So you click, once you've done that, you click on this Facebook that appear here. Then it will ask you to enter your address. And how do you get that? We did this during the blog. All you need to do is go to facebook.com. Then you go to the page that you want to use. Once you click on that page, the information that will show on the address bar is what you copy. So we go to pages here. Let's go to pages. The list of pages that you own will appear. I'll choose the one I'm using, which is Uncle Network. So once I click on Uncle Network, then I'll copy the address. So you can see it up here. Okay, this one is asking me, Facebook is asking me to do, but that is not part of this tutorial. Let's just leave this one alone. Leave now. Facebook, which one? Okay, we copy this. Oh, sorry, we are supposed to remove these pages you manage. The people that will be clicking on it are not the one, they are not the owner of the pages. So it should be the direct link, facebook.com/Uncle B Network. Okay, so we copy it. If you know it already, you just copy. So that is where it will take them to when they click on that Facebook from your website. Click on submit. The next one, like I told you, is going to be Twitter. So go to browser, look for Twitter. Twitter. You can see Pinterest, any kind of social media you want. So Twitter. So like I told you earlier, I want it to be Facebook, Twitter. So just like the other one where we have move up, move down. Here we move to the left, move the Facebook back to the left. Then we click on Twitter. Then we put the address. We go to twitter.com. Then we log into our Twitter account. Then we get the address, and then we come and paste it there. Go to twitter.com. Twitter.com. Okay, I just remember that we are having this issue of a Twitter ban in Nigeria right now, as at the time of recording. So I want to believe you understand what I'm doing. So I'll just guess my Twitter profile link. So I think it should be twitter.com/ I think I am Mr. BJ or something. So you should know. Maybe at the time you are doing yours, the issue has been solved. So just copy, just log in, then you get your link, bring it here, and then you paste and you submit. That is it. What do I have next? I think I'll just put email. I'll put email so that the people that are visiting my website can just contact me through email. And the beauty of this is that by the time you add it here, if the person is on a mobile phone, once they click on this email sign, it will automatically open their email app and put your email address as the email that they want to send message to. So it will automatically insert it there for them. Then they can just go ahead and type their message, and from there they can continue. So we can see that things are they are all falling in place. So we had another block. Okay, so the next block we are going to add, I think, is going to be heading, because I want us to add a kind of text above these social media icons, so that if you go to other websites, you say something like maybe follow us on social media, or we are on social media, or we are on the net, whatever like that. So in our case, I'll just write follow on social media. So, and this should be above. It should be above the icons. So click on it and move it up. Okay, that's good. Alright, so that one is settled. Things are falling into place. Alright, I think we update now. We update the page. We've published the page before, so now we are updating it with the information that we have entered. Okay, so when the page has been updated, okay, page updated, view page. Okay, so once it has been updated, let's go to that website, the home page, the front page. Let's refresh and see if the changes we made have taken place. Okay, good. So you can see everything we did now appearing there. Okay, so this alone, even though we've not finished, has given some information to whoever is visiting our website. At least they can see what we do. They can learn more if they are interested by going to our website. So the next thing I want us to do, if you look at this very well, on the right hand here, towards the right here, we should have a menu. So we are going to add a menu. So now the menu is what you see on any website. A menu on a website is just like list of pages, the list of links or linkable pages around the website. So it's meant for easy navigation, for people to move around your website very easily. They can move from one page to another without necessarily using the back or the forward button on their browser. So they can easily click on the page they want to visit, like we are seeing on store link here, and this other website here that I created is a school website, a sample school website. Okay, so for us to add that, we go back to appearance. We go to appearance. Under appearance, we click on menus. Appearance, then we click on menus. Okay, so it has loaded up, and we can see that there is no menu here. No menu has been created. So where it says menu name, we click there and give the menu a name. You can name it anything. In my case, I'll just say main menu. So because it's the primary menu, so make sure you mark this place, display location primary menu. You choose to make it the primary menu of the website. Then you click on create menu. You click on create menu, and the menu will be created. Okay, waiting for it to load up. Okay, good. Now after the menu has been created, we can now add items. What are those things that will appear on the menu? You can add posts. You can add your post to the menu. You can add custom link, that is a custom web address, and so on. But for now, let's just we click on this view all. Then the two pages that are available now, home and sample page, we click on them and say add to menu. Add to menu. Now once that is done, you will now see you can now see the things that are there. So we click on save menu. In the future, we'll be talking about how you can rearrange this and how you can create complex menu like the one you see on most of these e-commerce websites. Okay, so the menu has been saved. Let's refresh and see. Okay, good. So we can now see the home and the sample page. So we can click on sample page and we'll see what is there. And without having to use the back button, we can still click on home page. So we can choose any page that we want to go to. That is the function of menu. That is the essence of adding menu. So I think we're going to stop there for now. We'll end this particular part of the lesson in the next video. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe, share the video, like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.